An African elephant can recognize itself in a mirror, a rare trait shared by only a handful of species. This simple act reveals profound self-awareness. The elephant knows it is an individual, not just another animal. Such self-recognition is the foundation for empathy, cooperation, and the deep family bonds that define elephant society. Imagine the world from an elephant's perspective, part of a close-knit family, led by a wise matriarch, navigating vast landscapes, remembering waterholes unseen for years, and communicating over great distances. All of this requires remarkable intelligence. Elephants don't just survive, they thrive within a complex social structure, building lives filled with purpose and connection. Their intelligence is not just about a large brain, but a rich inner world. Elephants can think, plan, and feel. They remember the past and anticipate the future. Friendships last a lifetime, and they mourn the loss of loved ones. The simple act of recognizing themselves in a mirror is a powerful symbol, a window into a mind of incredible complexity. It's a sign of consciousness shaped by millions of years of evolution. When we speak of elephant intelligence, we're talking about an animal that deserves our deepest respect. Their minds are ancient, sophisticated, and worthy of protection. The mirror test is more than a trick. It's a glimpse into a world of thought and feeling. Elephants show us that intelligence is not uniquely human. Their self-awareness is a reminder of the wonders of the natural world. We are only just beginning to understand the depths of their minds. The elephant's reflection is a call to protect and cherish these remarkable beings. Their story is one of intelligence, emotion, and enduring connection. The African elephant's brain is the largest of any land animal, weighing over 5 kilograms, more than 3 times the size of a human brain. But it's not just size that matters, it's the brain's structure and complexity. The elephant's cerebral cortex is highly folded, allowing for more neurons and intricate connections. Their large, complex temporal lobe is crucial for memory and processing sounds, explaining their ability to remember locations and communicate over long distances. The hippocampus, linked to emotion and long-term memory, is exceptionally large in elephants. This supports their deep emotional responses and lasting social bonds. Their memories are tied to strong feelings, much like our own. The elephant brain is uniquely adapted for life in complex social groups and vast landscapes. It's built for remembering, understanding social signals, and feeling deep connections. This powerful organ drives their problem-solving, tool use, and empathy. Elephants' brains are not just bigger, they're different, evolved for a life of intelligence and emotion. Their minds are engines of memory, communication, and social understanding. The structure of their brain reveals the roots of their remarkable abilities. In every sense, it's a giant mind for a giant of the savannah. The elephant's brain is a testament to the power of evolution and adaptation. African elephants are master problem solvers, and their trunk is their greatest tool. With over 40,000 muscles, it's both strong and delicate, capable of uprooting trees or picking up a single leaf. Elephants use their trunks to manipulate objects, showing purpose and foresight. They create fly swatters from branches, dig for water, and even plug holes to save water for later. Their tool use goes beyond instinct. It's creative and insightful. Elephants have been seen using objects to reach food, demonstrating real problem solving. They assess situations, understand objects, and devise plans. Whether scratching an itch with a stick or breaking barriers, elephants adapt to challenges. Their intelligence is active. They engage with and shape their world. Tool use is a sign of cognitive flexibility and innovation. Elephants are not just reacting, they're thinking ahead. Their problem-solving skills reveal a mind that reasons and invents. On the savannah, intelligence is the ultimate tool. Elephant intelligence shines brightest in their teamwork. Their society is built on cooperation and collective strength. When threatened, adults form a protective circle around calves, a strategic, coordinated defense. Teamwork extends to daily life, rescuing calves from mud, digging for water, and taking turns at the waterhole. Elephants communicate with rumbles and gestures, coordinating their actions. Each rescue or group effort is a display of empathy and shared purpose. They understand social rules, trust each other, and read signals. Cooperation requires communication, understanding intentions, and sometimes self-sacrifice. Elephants' survival depends on this social intelligence. Their complex interactions go beyond instinct. They reflect a mind aware of its place in the group. Working as one, elephants thrive in a challenging world. Their unity is a hallmark of higher intelligence. Social bonds and teamwork are at the heart of elephant life. Together, they are stronger. Communication is the lifeblood of elephant society. Elephants talk using low-frequency rumbles, inaudible to us but powerful enough to travel for miles. This infrasound keeps families connected across vast distances. Researchers have decoded calls for danger, food, water, and reunion. Each call is nuanced, carrying specific meaning understood by the herd. Elephants also communicate with body language, ear flaps, trunk touches, and posture. A raised head signals warning. A gentle trunk touch offers comfort. They read these signals from afar, gauging mood and intent. Communication allows them to coordinate, share information, and maintain bonds. The matriarch can signal it's time to move. A young male can invite play. Their language is complex, rich, and essential for social life. Understanding their communication reveals a world of constant conversation. Elephant society is woven together by sound and gesture. To watch elephants is to witness a world of deep emotion. They experience joy, grief, compassion, and anger, emotions we easily recognize. The birth of a calf brings celebration. The herd gathers, rumbling with joy. Grief is profound. Families stand vigil over the dead, touching and mourning. Even unrelated elephants pay respects to bones, suggesting an awareness of mortality. This ritualistic response to death is widespread and consistent. Elephants comfort distressed companions using trunks to soothe and support. They help injured herd members and have even protected wounded humans. Their empathy extends beyond their own kind. Emotional intelligence shapes their social lives and responses. Elephants feel loss deeply and celebrate life together. Their hearts are as large as their bodies. In elephants, we see the power and depth of animal emotion. Studying elephant intelligence is like holding up a mirror to ourselves. Their social structures, emotional bonds, and problem-solving echo our own experience. Elephants are long-lived, highly social, and invest deeply in raising their young. Knowledge and culture are passed down through generations. Their matriarchal society values wisdom and memory above all. The matriarch leads, protects, and decides. Her experience is the herd's greatest asset. This model of leadership is based on knowledge, not strength. Childcare is communal. Aunts, sisters, and cousins all help raise the young. Shared responsibility strengthens family bonds and prepares calves for life. Elephant intelligence is perfectly adapted to their world, just as ours is to ours. They show us that consciousness and emotion are not uniquely human. Recognizing this shared heritage deepens our connection and responsibility. Elephants remind us of the diversity of intelligence on Earth. Their story is a lesson in empathy and respect. The intelligence of African elephants makes their future all the more urgent. They are thinking, feeling beings with rich cultures and deep family ties. Threats like poaching and habitat loss are not just conservation crises, they are moral ones. Killing a matriarch destroys a library of knowledge and shatters families. Habitat loss forces elephants into conflict with humans, a tragedy for both. Elephants cannot understand borders. They follow ancient migration routes etched in memory. Protecting these corridors is a major conservation challenge. There is hope. Researchers, rangers, and communities are working to protect elephants. Conservation efforts are making a difference, but need our support. The fate of elephants is tied to our actions. Their story is far from over. There is still much to learn and protect. Every discovery deepens our respect for their minds. By staying informed and engaged, we can all be a voice for elephants. Let's ensure future generations share the planet with these magnificent minds. The story of the elephant is a call to action and a promise of hope.